Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. So a few weeks ago I made this miter saw station, and I didn't make a video on how to build this because YouTube is already flooded with videos on how to build miter saw stations. So last week I had a video out where I showed how I made these doors, and it did really well. I was really impressed. So thank you guys for watching that video. So I made my miter saw station with a T-track for an adjustable stop. And I needed a star-shaped knob so I could tighten that block down. So instead of driving a half hour to the closest store that sold the star knobs, I decided to make my own. So if you want to see how I made this knob, stick around. I started this project off by finding the center of a 3-inch square piece of Baltic birch plywood. I did this by drawing a line from corner to corner. This is a foolproof way to find the center. I used a 2.5-inch hole saw on the drill press to drill a hole about 1/8 of an inch deep. I then swapped out the hole saw for a 1-inch Forstner bit. You can now see why we only drilled that hole 1/8 of an inch deep. Drill a hole all the way through where your pencil line and the hole saw intersect. With the 4 holes drilled, it is now starting to look like a knob. Then swap out the Forstner bit back to the hole saw. Only go down half of the thickness of the plywood. Then flip it over and finish drilling it all the way through. Doing this will avoid tear out on the back side of the knob. And that is the finished shape of the knob. I then used a spindle sander and some sandpaper to take off the sharp edges. Now all that's left to do is to chisel a hole for the nut. I did this by tightening down a nut and tracing it with an X-Acto knife. I then chiseled to the line till I had the right depth. And there you have it, a super easy knob that only takes about half an hour to make. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please hit that subscribe button, and also please hit that like button. It's much appreciated. We'll see you in the next one.